Struggling with connecting your PC to a mobile hotspot? Many users face issues like limited internet access or no connection at all. These problems often happen due to incorrect settings, outdated drivers, or mobile network restrictions. You may also encounter IP conflicts, unsupported Wi-Fi adapters, or driver errors. Let's fix this step by step. 1. Check your Wi-Fi adapter compatibility. Your PC's Wi-Fi adapter lets it connect to wireless networks. Not all adapters support mobile hotspots. To check compatibility, press Windows plus S to open the search bar. Type Command Prompt. Right-click it and choose Run as administrator. Type NetShayLAN Show Drivers and press Enter. Look for the line that says, Hosted Network Supported. If it says no, your adapter doesn't support mobile hotspots. You'll need to upgrade it. Tip: some phones let you switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz hotspot bands. Make sure your adapter supports the selected band. Try both if you're unsure. 2. Update or reinstall Wi-Fi drivers. Wi-Fi drivers must be updated for smooth hotspot use. To update, press Windows plus X and open Device Manager. Expand network adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. If updating doesn't work, right-click the adapter again and choose Uninstall Device. Restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the driver. For some adapters, download the latest drivers from the manufacturer's website. 3. Use Automatic IP Assignment, DHCP. Wrong IP settings can cause connection problems. Here's how to fix it. Press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Select Advanced Network Settings. Choose your network adapter and click View Additional Properties. Check IP Assignment. If it's set to manual, switch it to Automatic DHCP. Restart your PC after saving the changes. 4. Run the Network Troubleshooter windows can automatically fix some network issues. To use the troubleshooter, press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to Windows Updates greater than Recovery. Click Fix Problems without resetting your PC. Find other troubleshooters and run the Network Troubleshooter. If your version doesn't support this, search for Network Troubleshooter manually. Run it as an administrator. 5. Turn off Bluetooth. Bluetooth can interfere with Wi-Fi. To disable it, press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to Bluetooth and Devices. Turn off Bluetooth. Now test the hotspot connection again. 6. Restart mobile hotspot service. Sometimes the Windows Mobile Hotspot service glitches. Restart it. Press Windows plus R and type services.msc. Press Enter. Find Windows Mobile Hotspot service. Right-click and select Restart. 7. Reset network settings. If nothing works, reset your network settings. Go to Network and Internet greater than Advanced Network Settings. Select Network Reset. Click Reset Now. Note, this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords. Reconnect to your networks afterward. If the problem persists, restart your phone. Make sure mobile internet is on. Disable power saving mode on your phone. That's it. Your hotspot should now work perfectly.